Clap if you've ever been to a fat farm. A few of you fatties.
Do you want to take my truck?
Yeah. Where do you open the door at?
Oh, there's a string at the bottom.
Oh. I can't.
Go harder. The door doesn't close, but that's fine.
Okay.
We're good. Can you check what's coming?
Yeah. I think we're good.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh, that's just my ashtray.
Oh. We should play some music.
Okay. Alright, it's on.
What happened to this?
Oh, it falls off. It's okay.
Oh. Why doesn't
Oh,
this...
that doesn't open anymore.
What happened to your door?
It fell off.
Where do you open
Oh,
it at?
you have to roll down the window. Roll it down, yeah. Roll it down. Keep rolling, keep rolling. It'll open. There you go.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
but you have to roll it back up
Back
to
up.
close the door, yeah,
Oh,
because it won't close.
Honey, it was ruined when she bought it. Yeah.
Steve.
I saw it on a TikTok. Some kid did it.
She even asked me for the time.
No way.
Way.
Oh my god, I have such a headache.
Did you drink any water today? What are you doing, asshole? Oh my god, did you know?
Because you always say that, no.
That's why you got a fucking headache, asshole.
No, it's not.
Did you at least eat?
No.
Okay. You're just gonna be skin and bones and headaches all day. That's it.
This man keeps popping up on my For You page. Have you ever thought that maybe it's because I'm for you? Has that ever crossed your mind that maybe I'm just for you? How much longer is it gonna take, Pookie? Do I have to make you laugh even more, Pookie? How many more jokes do I have to tell you, Pookie? What do I have to do to earn your approval, Pookie? Text me back, Pookie.
2022, the show is just minutes away. Taylor Swift. Okay.
Guys, I dare you to get on that.
Nah, dude, it's scary.
I'll buy you a pack of cigarettes.
I don't go out a lot. Like, I don't go to parties a lot or whatever. That's just because, like, I don't really, like, want to. I be tired.
Just smell the grass, the dirt, just like I dreamed they'd be.
Shout sparkling chilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just roll.
Look around, everybody on mute. Look around, it's me and my crew.
Oh gosh.
I'm so goofy.
Shut
oh my
up.
gosh, like, I'm
Shut up. Get her, Jazz. Get her.
Let me jump in.
I got her too. Yo, she got 4C hair. Get the relaxer.
box, I hear gon' really big. You fuck these. I really wanna.
Going crazy, and they bitch, and they think that the young nigga slow. Pour my point, I roll in my dough. Hit a fast for the.
I love you all. I wish I could stay all night long.
Let's get out of here.
Hey, listen.
Hey, literally, there's so much stuff.
Oh. Are you done?
I don't like to experience new people. I don't like to give a lot of new people a chance. A lot of new people is crazy.
I say whatever I want. Yeah, I do whatever I want. I'm counting up money for fun. You know, popping.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
What can I say? What can I say? What can I say?
Yo, can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Yeah.
If you wanna chill with me, you gotta know what I read. Romance, fantasy, dystopian, spicy, science, fiction. I have a book addiction.
Say a word, I know you f with my little homie. How you
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh.
We're gonna pour it, and then we're gonna like kind of like twirl it around.
Wait, I need a video of that. Let me see that again. Whoa, satisfactory.
Hot.
Oh my God, you all body slammed it. Grepa coming through, hot grepa coming through. Woo woo. And that's how you make a hot grepa. Wait a minute. You're a hot grepa. Wait a minute.
With niggas, I mean nigga people. Oh Lord.
They gon' hate me regardless. That's why I do what I do. See me in person, I'm flowing.
It's the way you act.
No, but then she said to me, "Oh, you're so funny! Oh my God, I love this jacket. It is incredible. Thanks." So then I said to her, "No, you can't come in my house because my dad's." I wish I could wear it. It'd be way too fucking big for you, you fucking idiot. It's like 3XL. You're like, what, small? Fucking stupid cunt. Anyway, so then I said to her, you can't come in because. Well, maybe if we were dating, I could steal it from you. I probably would steal it. Oh, thanks for the heads up. Won't be dating you then. Why would I want to date a fucking thief? Fucking stupid idiot. Anyway, so then I said to her, can you shut the fuck up, please? I'm trying to have a conversation. Bitch. So then she said,
Oh my God, I forgot that I was going through this boy's repost and I liked every single one. And he just sent me a screenshot saying,
Here's some historical facts that will mess with your perception of time. Pocahontas died in 1617, William Shakespeare died in 1616, and the first ever prototype for a submarine was built in 1615, meaning there was a 1-year period where William Shakespeare and Pocahontas could have been in a submarine together. The Colosseum was unveiled in 80 AD. The same year the Bible was being written. Sharks are ridiculously old. Okay, here we go. Sharks came before trees. Like, sharks were around before trees were around. If that wasn't enough, sharks were here before Saturn had rings. By millions of years. Leonardo da Vinci was only a year younger than Christopher Columbus. The octopus is older than the T-Rex. The octopus. The Eiffel Tower and Starry Night are the same age. That actually isn't that crazy. A man present at Abraham Lincoln's assassination was on a TV game show in 1956. This is him.
So here he is.
He's old, but
Twin, I knew we had something kind of. That's why we locked in like this. For hell.
Do we ever consider the fact that the Little Caesars guy might have originally said pizza pizza really excitedly, and everybody was like pizza pizza, and he was like, oh no, pizza pizza, and they were like pizza pizza, and huh.
In the front, please calm down. It's just a ride.
Yo, bro, I woke up and I'm so fucking confused. Why do we have so much Subway shit? This nigga is asleep. My dog is right there. And the other nigga Nas is not here. What is happening, bro? Where's Nas? Where's my mom? I'm gonna take it back and shit.
When you're there on duty and get called about a literal bat flying through the building.
You was any good?
I don't know.
No. All right, TikTok. You asked for more Ruby, so I did more Ruby! Just love me.
Sorry. this new, it's 2 weeks old, but this Mr. Beast video, the intro for it's weird, and I'm surprised nobody's talking about it, but I want to be the one to address it. Oh my god, it's one of these ads. Do you agree that the music we make for this is fire?
Hey, bro, I got you a picture cake.
Finally, I've been starving all day.
What'll it be, fellas? Mustard or ketchup?
Jesus Christ. I don't even know how to... Nigga, what? How do I search through this motherfucker, man?
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little snaky snake.
My guy is trying to clock out so badly, and he almost made it too. So close.
If it moves, hit it. If it don't move, hit it. And if you're not sure, guess what? Hit it.
No, but also, don't be rude. Are you kidding?
Sticking out your gyat for the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so phantom tack.
Run up on me, but he won't run back. Head and she got me back. Bitch, when is we
What I'm trying to build is a expanded opacity node for tesseracts. So possibly you could receive data backwards if it was hyperinflated in space-time with a strong enough prolapsed vacuum of some sort. A prolapsed vacuum, which I'm going to be working with prolapsed vacuums here shortly. I got the vacuum pumps and stuff. But that's what I'm talking about, to receive the data and information in the past at said vacuum points, hypothetically.
Let's go places.
But it's really interesting. It's also going to be a quantum computer of sorts. which is to gather data in a Tesseract computer.
That's a 2 to 3 year spot.
Sticking out your gap for the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so Phantom Tax.
Make a circle, make a circle.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
She'll be the best you ever had if you let her.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that... What the hell is going on here?
Hey, who are you? These fine gentlemen have spent a long time in hell, and they deserve a good day.
But there's no one here.
They're ghosts, duh. Get out of here. No one invited you to this boo. Cocky.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Alright. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
Do you notice me? Do you notice me? Yeah, yeah. I just wanna know, shawty, do you notice me? Shawty, you should.
You've been complaining the whole time when I took your ass to the beauty store. Everybody going home.
Oh my God, you ugly as fuck. I just can't get over that shit.
What's the best pairing with the buffalo?
I recommend the 95 Chateau Margaux Bordeaux blend.
How much is that a glass?
$150.
Oh, I will definitely take a glass of that.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys have 4 Loco?
No.
Miss, I want a puppy. I already have a puppy. I need gym membership. Babe, I'll get a sugar mommy.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like Ortiz.
Yeah, but I gotta get a nigga back for that. It's non-negotiable. It's not even debatable. I'm getting.
Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
Hey, I still got some love deep inside of me.
All right, bro. All right, bro. Sounds good, man. Yeah, all right, bro. All right, bro. I'll catch you later. All right, yeah. I'll call you later, bro. Yeah, all right, bet. All right, bet. All right, bro. All right. Nah, all right, bro.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like Ortiz.
Me see somebody almost get this bumbo clot, so me I could try it to bumbo clot. Let's go. Where the mama bumbo clot? So I'm stuck right. Where the blood clot this for me God? See as soon can get it.
Un Bellini. No, bastardo, conche tu madre. Si te mueres, no es ¡Yeehaw!
Un video más, mi gente. Ande el diablo y esta vez fue empezando. No voy a hacer nada.
Ooh, they got Naruto sweatpants.
That's what you want? What do you think about this? I know you like the color pink. You still hang around with your little friend? Try this on. You need more pink in your closet. Don't put that back. Here, try these on. Pull your fucking pants up.
I think I'm a medium.
You don't want no panties? You don't want to, like, you don't want no panties?
Well, that's too small.
Look at the
and I don't
bedazzles.
like
I think it'll go nice with your eyes.
ugly.
You're a lady. You're not even in sports. What you need a sports bra from? Put this on. What's wrong with pink? Here, take it. You're not a boy. That's what you really need.
Ma,
You're
I got enough
You're
sports
a lady.
bras. Who, Jasmine?
Yeah, your little friend. You don't want no Doc McStuffins or nothing? What are we gonna do with this generation? Oh Lord, are you still getting married? These will fit really nice around your waist. What about the unicorns ones right there? Let's try. Like, you're not even exploring this other side.
And I like the boxers. They don't be in my butt.
Is that the style now? I mean, your nails is dirty. You're not a boy. Who do you think you're trying to be? LL Cool J, pull them up. Do you need a belt? We over here in by the belt section. Do you need one?
Yeah. They're just gone. Get him, get him.
Vem aí, a barata Jusukirigashikata.
You're crazy! You're fucking crazy!
Try me.
Nesta manhã de sábado, agradeço a Deus pelo novo dia que Ele nos concedeu. É uma dádiva acordar e ter a oportunidade de compartilhar este momento com vocês. Hoje quero compartilhar uma reflexão sobre a importância da fé e da esperança em nossas vidas. Quando olhamos ao nosso redor, muitas vezes nos deparamos com desafios e obstáculos que parecem insuperáveis. Mas lembrem-se, tudo posso naquele que me fortalece. Essa é a promessa que Deus nos deixa, e ela nos lembra que não estamos sozinhos em nossas jornadas. Nossa fé é como uma semente que, quando regada com oração e confiança, cresce e floresce. É importante mantermos nossa fé viva, independentemente das circunstâncias. Afinal, a fé é a certeza daquilo que esperamos e a prova das coisas que não vemos. Neste sábado, convido todos vocês a fortalecerem sua fé, a acreditarem que Deus está ao nosso lado, guiando nossos passos e nos dando força para superar qualquer adversidade. Lembrem-se de que cada desafio é uma oportunidade de crescimento espiritual. Amém.
Hey, yeah! What's up, my fellow Grimace? Have you been drinking your Grimace shake recently? Oh, if you're wondering what that smell is, look, I apologize. I can't break the streak. 2 months! 2 months no shower! Booyah, baby! Where are you going?
I want a teenage mutant ninja turtle, but which one could turn you into Squirtle? Move your tongue.
I know way too many people here right now.
And I met you in the summer.